Hello friends. Suppose one of your new friends wants to come to your home for the first time and he is coming from a far away place. What can you do to ensure that he reaches your home easily? You can share with them the Google Maps location, which provides a step-by-step way for them to find your home, right? This is nothing but a procedure to reach your home. And in this video, we will explore the art of procedure writing in detail. First, we will understand what procedure writing is. Then, we will explore its format. And finally, we will understand the format with an example. So, without further ado, let's get started. What is a procedure writing? Procedure writing, also known as instruction writing or process writing, involves providing step-by-step instructions for how to perform a specific task or complete a process. It is factual writing written in the present tense as if you are currently performing the task. Let's look into some examples of procedure writing. A recipe such as how to cook a chapati, directions on how to get from one place to another, a how-to guide, for example, how to tie a tie. In all these examples, there is a step-by-step process to perform a specific task. If you follow that step-by-step process, you will be able to perform the task. So these all are examples of procedure writing. Now, why you should learn it? Learning instruction writing or procedure writing offers several key benefits. Number 1. Clarity and consistency. Writing clear and well-structured instructions or procedures ensures that the task can be performed consistently and accurately. Number 2. Effective communication. Learning how to write instructions effectively improves your ability to communicate complex information in a clear and understandable manner. And number 3. Problem solving and critical thinking. Developing the ability to break down tasks or processes into step-by-step instructions encourages critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Overall, it is a valuable skill in many professional and academic contexts. Now, let's look into the format of procedure writing. Procedure writing consists of two main sections. Number 1. Title. The title should give the reader a clear idea of what the procedure is about. And number 2. Main content. The main content is further divided into three components. Number 1. Ingredient or materials. In this section, we will list all the ingredients or materials needed to complete the procedure successfully. Number 2. Equipment. This part includes a list of equipment required to carry out the procedure. And number 3. Method. This is where we provide a step-by-step process to achieve the goal. We can begin with the following sentence. These are the step-by-step instructions to be followed. For procedures with fewer steps, we can use transition words like first, next, then, afterwards, and finally. To explain each step, for procedures with more steps, we can use either a numbered list or a bulleted list to present the steps for simplicity. So this is the format of procedure writing. Now, let's understand this format with an example. Write a procedure on how to make a dough. Number 1. Title. How to make a dough. Ingredients. In bracket, serving 6 chapatis. 2 cups of whole wheat flour. Approximately 1 cup of warm water. A pinch of salt, optional. Number 2. Equipment. A big mixing bowl. A spoon, optional. Now, the actual procedure or method. These are the step-by-step instructions to be followed. First, take a mixing bowl and add a cup of flour. Next, if you want, add a pinch of salt for some flavor. Then, gradually add water while mixing the flour. Afterwards, knead the mixture into a soft, smooth dough. Make sure it's not too sticky. Finally, cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. Pause the video and understand these steps properly. Let me use these steps to practically show you how to prepare a dough.
So today we will learn how to make a dough. For that I have taken 2 cups of flour, white flour, some salt and water. So first we need to mix the salt in the flour, then we need to add the water and try to mix it. So as you can see, we are able to mix the flour. On other side, at the end you can mix both so that it becomes easy for you. As you can see, the dough has started to get its shape. Press it properly. If required, you can add somewhat more water. And I think it's done. Now you can cover it with this cloth in this way for 15 minutes.
Now it's time for exercise. Please answer each question with a simple yes or no. Is procedure writing written in the past tense? Do transition words like first, next, and finally explain each step in procedure writing? Do steps written in a procedure need to be in a sequence? Please pause the video and share your answers in the comment. I hope you would have given the correct answers. And to know the answers, please check the description of the video. Let's quickly revise what we learned in this lesson. First, we learned what procedure writing is. Procedure writing is a form of writing that provides step-by-step instructions for how to perform a specific task or complete a process. Some of its examples are recipe, showing direction, or how-to manuals for tasks. Then we learned the three key advantages of learning it: clarity and consistency, effective communication, and number three, problem solving and critical thinking. Next, we looked into the format of procedure writing. We understood this format with an example. Finally, I gave you an exercise to practice, and I am looking forward to your answers in the comments. That's all in this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe in case you found the video helpful. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.